Alright, for our bonus question, and this is dealing with inequalities and absolute values, can you think of any points that have a distance less than or equal to 2 units from 0? Okay, so I'll let you guys think about that for a second. Less than or equal to 2 units from 0. This question is really asking for the distance of some numbers, we don't know them yet, to be less than or equal to 2 units from the origin, from 0. So the distance is going to be less than or equal to 2. Now, if we have 1, is the absolute value of 1 less than or equal to 2? The absolute value of 1 is 1, so that works. So we'll have a point right here. What about the absolute value of negative 1? So the absolute value of negative 1 is 1. So negative 1 for our x value will work as well. So I'll make a chart. So x can equal 1. It can also equal negative 1. So we can have a point right here. Can we graph number 5? We're going to graph this inequality that the absolute value of x is less than or equal to 4. So this is really just saying that the distance from 0 is going to be less than or equal to 4 for all of these numbers. So, based on the last question, can we have the absolute value of 4? Is that going to be less than or equal to 4? Okay, the absolute value of 4 is 4. That is equal to 4, so that works, okay? I'm going to put a dot right here. Now what about the absolute value of negative 4? Is that less than or equal to 4? Well, the absolute value of negative 4 is 4, okay? And that is equal to 4. So that will be right here at negative 4. I should really be labeling these. Now, we have these 2 points. Do you guys think we're going to have a line on the inside or maybe lines on the outside? Okay? That's kind of an interesting question. And we'll get to different types of inequalities here later. But let's just try a number here on the inside. So let's try 0. It is usually a good number. Okay? So is the absolute value of 0 less than or equal to 4? Well, the absolute value of 0 is 0. And 0 is less than or equal to 4, so we know that this is going to be a point in here. And if we know this is a point, then we know all of these other points are going to work as well. Okay? And you can also think of this as the fact that our distance is less than or equal to 4 from the origin, from 0. So all these points have a distance less than or equal to 4. If we had a distance that was greater than, it would be these points out here on the outside. Okay? So hopefully our graph should look something like this. Now, I don't think you'll have any inequalities in your homework, but if you can do these, you can certainly do the other problems. So I believe your homework is in the book. It's on page 74, if I remember correctly, and it will be questions 25 through 36. So you don't have too many to do tonight, and hopefully you guys understand absolute values and you can get that done. So thank you guys. Great job today. I hope you behaved for the subs, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Thanks.